this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase the FPS here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, what you need to do is open up your settings. To do this, you have to hit these little three dots up in the top left, then hit these three little lines, and then go into your settings on the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. But essentially from here, what you need to go ahead and do is go into your graphics settings and turn all of your graphics settings down to low. Now, lower graphics essentially means higher FPS, so this is by far the easiest way to boost performance. But from here, after doing that, what I would also do is go ahead and just hit this little like Roblox menu right here, go into your settings and also adjust your display and graphics for your settings as well. Go ahead and turn on performance stats so that you could see exactly what's going on, how much of everything is being used, and then you can adjust things accordingly to try and lower things as much as possible. If your device has it as well, what I would recommend doing is making sure that you have your max frame rate to like 120 or even 240. Either of those two work very well. But turn your graphics quality down and you will be good to go. That really is the entire process. As long as you do that, you will get higher frames. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.